Welcome to Poppy Seed Mini.
Do you think your mom will notice if we open a few gifts early? Surrender!
What on earth is going on in here?
Nothing, honey. How was your shopping trip?
Look at this place. Where's Asher?
Here it is, Mom.
Okay, enough playing around. Let's open some surprise balls. Today, we have 7 balls to open. It would be really fun to find some of the things we didn't get in our last video. Alrighty here, what do we have first? It is a little mini robot, RC Mini. And we have a rainbow corn unicorn ball, or unicorn hatchimal. And ooh, another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. And we've got, oh, what is this? It's a untamed dragon fingerling. And a unicorn fingerling. All right, what will we find in our second ball? We've got, oh, it's the tempera paint. So cool. I love miniature art supplies. Oh, it's the Barbie llama. That is the cutest thing in real life. All right, we have, boy, there's a lot of JoJo bows out there. They're cute though. And Frisbee. Be interesting to see the dolls play Frisbee. And we have a basket. Hey, hon, let's check this one out before we wrap it up. All right, we have ball number 3. Let's see what's inside. I hope we get something new. Ooh, a rolling product cart. Great. Oh, more paint. Okay, won't turn down more art supplies. And we've got another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. More doubles. And oh, it's an Angelica doll from Rugrats. And a Blaze Speedway. Yep, we've got a lot of those too. Ball number 4. Let's check this one out. Fingers crossed, something new. A rainbow corn hatchimal ball again. And we've got crayons, color crayons. Awesome. And another Blaze Speedway. Oh, here's another one of those little robot guys. These guys are cute. It's amazing. Look at the detail they put on these boxes. So fun. And we've got a metal machine speedway with a crocodile head. Ouch, don't get your finger in there. All right, ball number 5. We got, ooh, washable markers. And another Frisbee. I mean, you need lots of Frisbees, right? And Shimmer and Shine's little tower game, or playset, I should say. And, ooh, another little unicorn squad ball. I like these ones, these miniature surprise balls. So fun. And, oh, another rainbow corn. Look at that. We're having triplets. Hey kids, let's make some Christmas cards.
Okay, Mom.
The art supplies in these sets are just fantastic. All right, ball number 6. We've got a shine doll. And more markers. Super cute. And a bucket of slime, metallic slime. And another rolling cart. Woo! All right, and another little robot. Boy, lots of those. All right, this must be ball number 7. What do we got here? Oop, losing the peelings here. All right. Oh, it's a hula hoop. And what do we got? Another rolling cart. And, oh, here is the slime gun for that big tub of slime we just got. Now we got a set. And more color crayons. All right. Oh, you guys, this is the one. It's the metallic fingerling. Look at that thing sparkle. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, that was a good thing to end on. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Poppy Seed Mini. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And join us next time.